How's your coffee?
I'm enjoying it. It's a good blend.
Is it? Perfect.
Yep.
Great. All right. We'll let you enjoy your coffee.
Okay.
See you later. This is your favorite video?
No, well,
I never seen this one.
I like it a lot.
Where was this?
This was on Revere Beach. What the fuck?
He's pretty actually really good, huh?
Yeah, he's
yeah.
good.
I never knew he was that good.
Oh yeah, he's a great drummer.
Wow. Oh my God, you guys are nailing it.
Oh yeah, we
Yeah. Good filming. Who filmed this?
no, some girl.
Yeah, she did a good job. You know,
Yeah.
got in like at
She
the.
pieces it together. There's a couple other things too. It's like a 6-minute video.
Oh, she pieced it together. Wasn't one camera.
No, well, it was one camera, but different songs.
Oh, okay, and she made it look like.
I got the good and sick, like it is, baby. Try to turn it